Today is going to be a great day. Let's wash our big floppy ears. Scrub, scrub, scrub until they are clean. Now give them a playful wiggle. Keeping clean is so much fun. Let's count and scrub. 1, 2. Let's make sure our teeth are clean. Squeeze a little toothpaste and scrub, scrub, scrub. Wow, what a bright smile!